Hello, welcome back to the tutorial. So in this part 2, we'll be using designing header bar. So we have two groups. So in the first group is you need to create a buttons. So navigation not lock in. So on the appearance tab, you need to untick the elements is visible on the page load. On the conditional tab, so when the current user is logged out, you need to set the element is visible. Tick it. So you assign two buttons, which are the sign up and login. And the second group, you can see that on the conditional tab, you create a current user is logged in. Tick this as the element is visible. On the appearance tab, untick the element is visible on the page load. And then you can drag a button, create a button, manage company, and also image. So the image will be the photo of it, and so on. So on the manage company button, create a start or edit workflow. So you create a event, an action called go to page. So you need to create a manage company. Just create a simple or empty manage company page, and then follow the same thing with start or edit workflow. But firstly, you create assign this thing as a current user profile photo. So you create the same thing also, action, go to profile page and the user profile. And also for the company on the left side image, it can be considered as a button for a company and so on. So you create a go to page to index. So index is the home page of whatever you call it. Okay. So that's it for the part 2. See you guys next video. Bye bye.